Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can easily select all emails in Gmail, and it's so damn easy. So what you want to do is go to Google, Gmail, and when you're gonna see all your emails here, you will not be able to choose them all. So what you need to do is go to Chrome or your internet browser that you are using. Now what you want to do is right here gmail.com, or even better way, choose desktop site first, right here Gmail without .com, choose Gmail, and when you're gonna choose Gmail, you'll see it here. Now you have all emails here, and what you want to do now is just press here select all, and when you're gonna press select all, you will have everything you need. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can select all emails, and it's kind of it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn in Gmail, and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you everybody, have a great day, and see ya in the next video.